Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the LPP with the help of the graphical method. Look at the problem. Maximization objective function z is equal to x1 plus x2 subject to restriction. There are two constants, x1 plus x2 less than equal to 1 and minus 3x1 plus x2 greater than equal to 3, and x1 x2 these decision variable are greater than equal to 0. We want to solve this example with the help of the graphical method. Now for that purpose, first of all, convert the constant into the equation and find out the 2 points from each equation in order to draw the line on the graph. Now first constant is x1 plus x2 less than equal to 1. Now we will convert this constant into the equation. Therefore first equation is x1 plus x2 is equal to 1. Now for the 2 points, first of all put x1 is equal to 0. Therefore x2 is equal to 1. Therefore our first point is 0 and 1. For the second point, put x2 is equal to 0. Therefore x1 is equal to 1. Therefore our second point is 1 and 0. Therefore from the equation 1 we got the 2 points. One is for the y-axis and one is for the x-axis. Similarly we will find the 2 points for the constant 2. The second constant is minus 3x1 plus x2 greater than equal to 3. Convert this constant into the equation. Suppose if we convert this constant into the equation, then equation is minus 3x1 plus x2 is equal to 3. Put x1 is equal to 0. Therefore x2 is equal to 3. Therefore our first point is 0 and 3. Second, for the second point, put x2 is equal to 0. Therefore minus 3x1 is equal to 3. Therefore x1 is equal to minus 1, and our second point is minus 1 and 0. Again from this equation we got the 2 points. One is for x-axis and one is for y-axis. Here I would like to summarize our discussion. From constant 1, x1 plus x2 less than equal to 1, we got the 2 points. First is 0 1 and 1 0. From constant 2, minus 3x1 plus x2 greater than equal to 3, we got the 2 points 0 3 and minus 1 0. Now we will plot this point on the graph. For the first constant there are 2 points. One is on y-axis and one is on x-axis, means here and here. Now we will join this 2 points, one on x-axis and one on y-axis. So this is the first line for the first constant. Now for the second constant the points are 3 on y-axis and minus 1 is on x-axis, means here 3 on y-axis and minus 1 is on x-axis, means here. We have joined these 2 points. This is the second line for the constant 2. Now for the first line the equation is less than equal to, means the feasible region is towards the origin, below the lines, means towards the origin or below the lines. And for the second equation, greater than equal to means above the line and away from the origin, means here we can say that we will not get the feasible region. Actually here we will not get the feasible region, because for this line feasible region is downward direction, and for this line feasible region is upward direction. Therefore here we will not get the common feasible region. If we draw this graph on the paper, then we will get this type of the graph, and here also we can say that here we will not get the feasible region, common feasible region. Therefore we can say that we cannot find the feasible region for this problem, so the problem cannot be solved. Hence the problem has a no feasible region, and this is the example of infeasible LPP.